Welcome back, everyone. And today I just want to show you my technique for opening up these power adapters. If you're a scrapper, you'll find tons of them. And there's a quick way to get the transformer like these out, like these, I guess, right? And you'll make more money if you take them out. There's also brass here if they're non-magnetic. So just check them on a magnet, right? It doesn't stick. It's non-magnetic, so that means it's brass. And yeah, it doesn't take long, and you fill up a bucket like that, transformers, and you'll make a lot more money. And the scrapyard will pay you more than if you leave them as is. Like, you'll still get paid if you leave it like this. You just won't make as much. And yeah, so without much more here, we're going to show you how I do it. So what I like to do is I like to just see this seam. I just like to tap along it on all the sides, and it'll just crack right open real fast. Like that. See how quick that is? And they're pretty big transformers, and so there's a lot of weight to them, right? And you just pull this off. There you go. Get yourself a transformer for your bucket, right? So you just toss it in there, adds up. Now, you just pull these off like this, and that's a piece of brass for your brass bucket. There's another piece of brass for your brass bucket. This here, some wire, and you got some recycling, right? Yeah, like this, I'd probably just throw in shred because there's a little bit of little bits of metal here, so it's still worth shred, you know. Remember, this is quick, right? So if it took a long time, I wouldn't bother, because, you know, anything that takes too long, that's taken from your time, it's not worth your time to make a little bit of money. But if it's fast, like this is fast, you see how quick I got that out. You could do hundreds of these an hour, you know. All right, I just want to thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Please subscribe, because we're going to do lots more micro scrapping and other stuff like that. We'll probably do scrapyard runs and stuff, probably more in the spring, but we might get a few here in the winter. All right, thanks for watching.